eyes of a different light. White noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard.
Ayan, so mag-register ka dito sa entrance nila.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you po.
Magkano nga pala sir entrance? Overnight? Pag overnight po, 200. Okay.
Thank you po. Thank you, sir.
It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. Ooh, ooh. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. Ooh, ooh. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. We'll stay out till morning and head out exploring. Make up for moms that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. Ooh, ooh. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. Ooh, ooh. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home.
Okay, yun ah.
Ganda ng place, no? Pagka nandito ka, no? Parang tanong na tanong mo lahat, no? Tapos
Yeah,
yung
gusto ko rin
area,
yung lugar.
taas. Tapos malapit lang dun sa may CR.
Lapit lang yung
Diba?
natin, tent sa may CR. Lakas ng
Parang-
hangin, oh.
Parang ikaw lang yun
Kayang-kaya pala ng moto tent, eh.
Oo. Yun nang nga mga boss, kakain tayo sa wakas. Masyado ng late tong ating lunch. Sabi, late na rin kasi tayo dumating dito sa campsite. Around 11 AM na rin. Kaya late na rin kami ni Mami. Hindi nag-set up tayo. So magandang gabi sa inyo mga boss. So ito nga pala yung napanalunan natin
Sa raffle.
raffle ng Tarocam PH. Isa Autas telescopic lantern. So birthday namin yun actually ni Commander-in-Chief. Ewan ko lang, talagang nataon lang talaga sa atin at nabigyan tayo ng blessing.
Para sa iyo talaga yung dad.
Grabe, napakaraming maraming paraffle na ginawa talaga si Tarocam PH, and then maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-sponsors nung event na yun. And then syempre, lalong-lalo na kay Cody, Camp Cafe PH. Kasi sila nagpa-raffle nitong nung telescopic, si Sir Lloyd.
Thanks for Lord.
Yeah.
Thank
Actually,
you, Sir Lord.
Isang Autas lang talaga yung ipaparapol And then alam naman natin si Sir Lloyd ng Camp Cafe PH. Pagka ginanahan talaga yan, dire-diretso yan. Parang yung event sa sa Cody, grabe. So ngayon mga boss, dito tayo ngayon. Unboxing natin siya para gamitin na rin natin syempre. Kasi nakita nyo naman, medyo madaling din dito sa campsite. So tara, buksan na natin. Ganda, no?
Yeah.
So, thank you very much, Camp Cafe PH. And then, syempre, sa Tarocam. Shout out, Papa Ray. Thank you. So, tamang-tama mga boss, maghugas tayo ng ating pinagkainan. So, gamitin natin itong Autas. Morning mga boss.
Morning.
Ito katapos lang ni Mami Det niya magluto nung ano yung breakfast natin.
Bacon and ham sandwich.
Ayun, so
Na may sunog ko. Sorry. Hindi binantayan. Ano.
Yun. So, okay, gising lang natin na kanina lang.
5:30 tayo
nagising kami sa lamig, grabe. Sobrang lamig dito sa campsite ng CBM. And then, luto agad kami. Tapos maya-maya, iikot din tayo para papunta nyo. Meron na kayong idea kung saan magandang umanap ng pwesto. And then, magkano yung mga rates nila.
Yeah.
Marirecommend namin to sa inyo, itong CBM campsite na to. Dito
Especially yung
sa
may
may
mga
Paras
kids,
lang.
Daddy. Kasi may
mga
playground siya eh.
sila, may
Yeah.
mini zoo.
Yeah.
Marami silang amenities dito. And then, kagandaan dito mga boss, wala siyang river crossing. Kaya, the best tong campsite na to, na puntaan. Kaya lang kami ni Mami Det.
Sorry ko. Good morning mga boss! It's our day 2 here at CBM Orchard and Eco Park, also known as the playground. So it's time na iikot namin kayo sa entire campsite para magkaroon kayo ng idea. So pagpasok nyo pa lang sa campsite, doon sa main gate, meron nang mag-a-assist sa inyo na guard. And sila yung mag-a-assist papunta sa registration area wherein you're going to pay 200 yung entrance and the tent pitching is 300. Sa gilid ng registration area is their mini zoo. And then, meron din silang basketball court. Meron din silang glamping area. They have boating, fishing, meron din silang rental ng ATV, UTV, and bike. So, kung makikita nyo sa bandang likuran ko, meron silang hanging bridge. And doon naman sa mga campers or guests nila na natatakot tumawid ng hanging bridge, they also have here another bridge which is stable. And this way is going to the playground. So, dito pala sa loob ng the playground, meron silang maliit na stage and malaki yung area. So, kung meron kayong event, pwede itong i-held. Mga boss, dito naman yung kanilang payment area. So, dito kayo magbabayad ng tent pitching. Ito yung kanilang sugbahan. So, it's a small resto. So, pwede po kayong bumili dito. Meron po silang mga silog meals. Yan po yung kanilang menu. Good morning mga boss, at nandito tayo ngayon sa CBM Orchard and Eco Park, also known as the playground. And kasama natin si Sir Alvin, ang kanilang supervisor.
Masiglang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ayun, actually, I'm the game master of the playground PH as well the campsite supervisor also. I'm the one innovating games, especially sa mga corporate or mga groups na nagti-team building dito sa The Playground. Ako po yung inyong makakasama at maaasahan sa pagmomodify ng mga games na magiging swak sa inyong budget at swak sa pangangailangan ng inyong kumpanya o ng inyong mga organisasyon o ng inyong mga churches po. Actually, The Playground started last June 2023 from CBM Orchard and Eco Park. It was transferred into the brand name The Playground. Basically, the reason is because of we cater team buildings po. So, meaning to say, nagiging playground na kami ng mga kumpanya, ng mga churches and organization.
Okay.
Yes po, we do have amenities here. We have glamping. It comes with aircon, with jacuzzi, with personal fridge. At ito po yung tinatawag natin na medyo luxurious na uri ng camping. We call it glamping from the word glamorous camping. We have 8 units working right now. And also we accept tent pitching, and we also have tent rentals po. Entrance here of 150 pesos for adults kapag day tour. Kapag naman po mga children, ang definition po namin ng children is 7 to 13 years old for 100 pesos only. But if you will be staying overnight, that's for 200 sa adult and 150 sa mga kids naman po. And the good thing is, if you are from Baras, Rizal, we waive the environmental fee because we support also our local tourists po. Para naman po sa mga accommodation, ang ating mga glamping po starts from the prices of 5,000 to 6,000 pesos, but rest assured that your experience will be worth it. And also, if you want to do some activities, we also have here UTV rides. Ito po yung mga electric operated na mga like moon buggy na may roll cage. By the way, ang ating UTV po, ang kanya pong isang oras is 1,500 only. It comes with guide naman na po, para din po sa kapakanan at kaligtasan din po ng ating mga bisita. And also, we have mini zoo here at The Playground na kung saan din nyo na kailangan lumayo. Sabi nga nila dito sa The Playground is all-in-one na po. May experience nyo na ang nature, ang extreme adventure, as well as connecting with our Mother Nature. Ayan, again, we are inviting campers, moto-campers, car camping, yung mga nag-overland, ng mga 4x4, The Playground. We reconnect Filipinos to nature through adventure, excitement, bringing home joyful memories. You can search our Facebook page, The Playground, as well as our website, The Playground. Just search www.playground.ph. And if you want to get your quotations, inquiries, you can talk directly to our sales and marketing team.
All right, thank you
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Nice meeting you, sir. Thank you po for your time.
So yun na nga mga boss, katatapos lang natin na mag-quick tour dito sa may The Playground. And then ngayon gumawa lang si Mami ng
Ham sandwich.
and then Iced coffee.
Iced coffee.
by UCC. UCC, baka naman.
Okay ba?
Then maya lang mga boss, mag-break na rin tayo ng camp kasi hanggang 11 lang actually yung kanilang overnight stay dito, and then it's
11
11:30 na. And then nakausap naman natin si Sir, napakiusapan naman. And then okay lang daw kahit mag-stay lang kami para na sa ganon, ma-feel talaga raw namin yung ganda ng campsite. And then, so yun lang mga boss. And dito na siguro tayo magpapaalam. Kung bago pa lang sa aming channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel.
Together we ride, Moto Vlog.
Always stay humble and kind. Ride safe mga boss.
Happy camping!
See you on next camp.